Hello everybody, just a quick update. Finally managed to move a few bits around the workshop. I got this 1/4 inch plate. It's been at the back of the workshop now for probably 10, maybe 12 years. Thought I'd put that one to use and use it as a welding table. Just grinded a bit off there for nice earth. And we're basically just sort of setting up, ready to go. Got all the kit laid out, all the clamps I need. Checked all the parts, and it's all the parts ready to go there. So there's a test set up as well, just getting a feel for the job really. There you go, that's one of the first bits, but I should probably be starting that later today. I'm going to tack weld most of what I can first, and then start welding it all together. I would have been underway by now, but my old welding helmet just suddenly died, so we had to go and buy an El Cheapo, which is good enough for the job. I don't do a lot of welding now anyway, but new helmet there. All the parts, like I say, all the parts are there. I've also got an old surface plate. That will become very useful. Not good enough for accurate work, for engineering sort of way, but for sort of welding, you know, it's as flat as what I can get, and that's as good as. So that's my little welding table. Yeah, happy days. Watch this space. So that's the welder I'm using. Is the Artec MiG 180. I've had that probably, I don't know, 7 years maybe, 6-7 years. Never missed a beat. So I've got a bottle there. I've just got to drain the last probably 10 bar out of there, and that's it. And then I've got another bottle. So I'm not saying they're the best value. They're not, doing it this way, but I haven't got the rental charges. I think I got that one last week. That's 70 quid. Then you pay something like 48 quid for the gas. Nowhere near as good value as this one. But to go and order that now and have that delivered was getting on 300 quid. And then they refund you the cost of your original bottle back anyway. But bear in mind, you've got a depreciation value each year. So that bottle's probably worth about 20 quid by the time they start taking it all up, so it ain't worth doing. So I'm going to keep that one forever. I might even end up using that for something else. Don't know yet, but yeah, I've paid my money and it'll stay with me to as long as I want it. But yeah, that's not a bad little welder, to be honest with you. I've had some good results from that. It helped me weld all this beam up first of all when I made these, and the brackets and that lot first of all. So I've done all the work with that. So, but yeah, couldn't lift that up on my own. Just can't do it these days now. Getting too old, I think. So that's where the hoist come in handy. Just sort of get it moved from one place to another without any lifting. It's only a Black & Decker worktop under there. I've left that still attached to the chains in case anything sort of breaks, but yeah, he's not going to go anywhere. And I'm sort of, yeah, I'm ready to go. Got all the paint sorted out, got the compressor and the all the paint, the compressor, everything's ready to go. So I'm not going to rush it. If this one takes a couple of days, so I could knock this out on a good day, but I just really don't want to be rushing it. There just is no rush, you know. So there you go. That's the setup. That's my welding shop. But it works, and that's good enough. So happy days. I will keep you informed as I go along. Like I say, today intended just sort of mainly just sort of tack a few little bits up, and I'll put another video up. Obviously I ain't going to be able to do a complete build through. One, I don't know how to do it or edit stuff, it just as it comes, so I'll be showing you sort of before and after more like. So anyway guys, enjoy, and catch you all soon. Have a nice day everybody, and thanks for viewing. Bye bye.